We're working on some things that will help them be more successful at home and some things that will help them be more successful at school. So, and we just kind of incorporate that into our obstacle courses with play.
I think it helps with the momentum that everybody's watching and that cheering each other on, and just like like a crowd that's around you. So if you're by yourself, it's not as much fun. They're thinking about what they're doing, and then they're the ones raising their hand to go again.
Beautiful job, Devin. Oh, look at that. Nicely done, Sam.
Some of them are verbal, they're verbal learners, but some of them are visual learners. So you have to incorporate their methods of learning into what we're doing. So if they are a visual learner, you get on the floor and you do it with them, and you explain to them how you're going to do it. And sometimes we can take a more auditory learner and we can have them be the person that goes through and demonstrates it for the rest of the class. So it's a lot of fun.
Stop it. All right, and then we're going to stand back and then see if you can shoot at the basket. Ready, go. Woo-hoo! Good job. Try again. Yay! Good job. Here it's just kind of just go for it and have fun. So, and that is the secret of our job, is that we get to play and have fun. Don't tell anybody, and we get paid for it. Step back and throw the big basket. You're up. Yeah.